will open a command prompt, then maximize the screen, then entering into my drive, cdk of -react. Then I will create a new router app. So similar way, npx create -react -app. Then I will create an app for router demo. So something called as demo router. So router demo. So I will create an app which will be called as demo router. And I will press enter. So by default, which automatically create the entire source inside a folder called as demo router. In addition to that, there is a package named as node module, which comprising of all the packages. So inside d::case of react, which will create a folder called as demo router. Inside that, the required packages, something called as react DOM. React DOM is a package, something document object model. React DOM, which used for document object model. Similar way, for routing is concerned, we are installing additional package, the package which is named as React Router DOM. So for routing purpose, it's our duty to install a new package npm space I, then react-router-DOM. This package used to route from one web page to other. Once the installation completed, you entering into the directory cd demo-router. So now it's entering into the directory. Now I will open that code in Visual Code, code space dot, which open the code in a Visual Code IDE. So the Visual Code IDE, which will open, and inside that there is a new folder named as yes, I trust the authors. So the new file which is called as demo router. Inside that there is a file called as package.json. Open that package.json. Please verify that there is no dependencies named as react-router-DOM. So we will install the package. So npm install react-router-DOM. React-router-DOM. So now open that package.json file. Verify that the new package which is added, react-router-DOM, the version is 6.2.2. So yes, fine, everything works fine. Now I will start my project, npm start. So parallelly I will open my code and expand the folder called as src. Inside that my core file which is called as app.js. So inside app.js I remove the entire things, whatever it's not required. So I got to remove the things. So the entire thing was removed. Now fine. Now I will write a router. So inside that I will write router. So there is a tag which is called as router, router, router. So yes. So if the package was not added, then you have to import that package from React Router DOM. So press Control space, then the package was added. Then I will design a menu. So the menu which is displayed inside div tag. So div. Inside that there is a navigation app for displaying the content. So navigation. So nav, navigation tag. So inside that I have list all those links. So the first link which is named as, links are placed inside unordered list. So ul. So inside that I will mark my link li for list item. So inside list item, I will mask my first link, first web page link. So that will be called as home page link. So that's a tag which is for link. It is similar to anchor tag. Otherwise, you go directly import whatever things needed here. You have to import the record packages. One which is called as browse router for browsing. Browser router as router, comma, switch, comma. What are the packages needed? You have to import here. Route, comma, link. So you have to import the record packages. All the packages or all the classes are available inside React router DOM. So browser router as router, switch, route, and link. So now you will type link. So fine. So link tag was added. So link, the link to, so which is equal to slash. So if the link is slash, then you have to move into a component called as home component. So it's display home component. Now similar way for second li, I will place second list item li. Inside that, use a link tag, link, then to anchor, which is similar to a anchor tag href, similar to HTML anchor tag href. So link to equal slash about. So about page, which will open into about page. So which will display the content about. Now similar way, the third markup li slash li list index, list item. So inside that we will add third link. So similar way, link, then to slash users, then the tag which is called as users. Yes. Now the list which is linked. So entire div tag was completed and nav tag was completed. Now you have write if, which is the link tag was clicked, it moved to the particular component. So you can type here. You can type inside this div tag. The routing component was placed inside the tag called the switch. Inside switch tag, you can write route path equal to, the path is something called as about. If the route path is about, then which moved into the component called as about. Which moved into a component called as about. If the route path is user, route path is path equal to slash users, then if the route path is user, it moved into the component called as users. If the route path is slash, route path equal to slash, then it moved into the component called as home. Component called as home. Now the entire process was completed. New version which does not support switch, so you can go for, you can remove switch and you can go for something browser router. I can remove switch instead of switch, I can use browser router. Similar way, I can use something called as routes. So So inside that I will use the same. Now I will refresh my page. So inside router, we will use so instead of switch, we will use a new tag which is called as routes. Instead of switch, we are using a new tag called as routes. So என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம், router tag குள்ள we are writing the link. Router tag குள்ள we are writing the link. Then inside routes tag, so you will write the about component, user component. I will save the file and view the browser. Then so view the page. So home link, about link, user link. So whenever I click home link, it's in localhost :3000. If I click about, it's moved into /about. If I click user, which moved into /user. So now I will create a new component named as about. So src new file which is named as about. So about.js. So I will create a new component. IMRC for React component. Create a function, export default app named as about. So export default function app, sorry. So I will type function is missing. Function about, inside that return, I will use h2 tag, something called as about. So I will type about, save the file. Now a new component was created. Whenever I click about, which will be linked to /about, inside that I will call the component about. So now save the file. Control space to import the package. Yes, added. Save the file. Now view the browser. Go to home. Okay. Initially, I import the needed packages, browse router as router, routes and link. Inside React router down. Then the entire routing page which written inside router. So router, then div tag, inside navigation, the navigation menu, UL for unordered list tag. Inside that, it is similar to anchor tag. So anchor tag href. So link to home. So if you are clicking home, which move to /. If you are clicking about, which move to about. Which you are clicking user, which move to /users. So now I'm writing routes page. So route path equal to /about. If you are clicking /about, then it will be moved into the component about. If you are clicking /user, it will move into the component user. So I will create a new component, new file named as something home or users.js. So I will write the function IMRC. Then I will write export default function users of open curly brace, inside that return something h1. I will type users. Save the file. Now I will view the result. If I am clicking users, if I am clicking about, if I am click, sorry, user component which is not called. So you will type here element equal to open curly brace, open users. So now save the file, open the browser. If you are click users, which will display user, about, outward, users, about. Then similar way, now I click a new component named as home, home.js, then type imrc, then I will type export default home function, sorry, function, something called as home, open a curly brace, inside that return h1 home page. You can type your own page, you can design your own page. So now the page was designed. Now save the file and open app.js. Then inside path slash, it will be go to element equal open curly brace slash home. Import the same. I think the path was not synced. Okay. Now save the file and open here. If you click home, home, about, user. So the menu bar is common. The entire menu bar which displayed for all the three pages. And if you click home, that page only updated. If you click about, that content was updated. If you click users, that content was updated. So this is a term which is called as React router. So which is similar to Anchor tag in HTML, but the page, it's a single page application, SPA application. So inside that, if you click home, automatically the home page is updated inside that. If you click about, the about page which updated inside the same. If you click user page, the user page was updated. So this is a simple router application in React. So which need the three packages under a application or under a library which is termed as React router DOM. So this is a simple application for React router.